Hello guys, today we learn Action Selector in MVC. Action Selector is the attribute that can be applied to the action methods. It helps routing engine to select the correct action method to handle a particular request. MVC 5 includes the following action selector attributes like ActionName, NonAction, and ActionVerbs. See here ActionName. If you define a method getemp, then we can change this method to action name like find, action name find, and we can directly access to like product controller and action name find this way. Now non-action selector attributes indicate that a public method of a controller is not an action method. Use non-action attribute when you want public method in a controller but don't want to treat it is an action method. We can define here, let us see non-action method and make a method getStudent and define return a string and return welcome to student. This way we can define the non-action method. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.